Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring the theme of enhancing connections, the joy of AI in daily interactions. In our increasingly digital world, artificial intelligence plays a key role in shaping how we relate to one another. Imagine a moment like the one captured in the image, where two friends are sharing a laugh over their smartphones. This joyful interaction highlights how AI can enhance our connections by facilitating communication and helping us discover shared interests, making our relationships more meaningful. From smart suggestions in messaging apps to personalized content recommendations, AI streams a wealth of information that helps foster these connections. Whether it's planning gatherings, sharing experiences, or simply enjoying a laugh, AI is not just a tool, but a partner in enriching our daily interactions. As we delve deeper into this topic, let's consider how we can embrace these technologies to create more joyful and connected experiences in our lives. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover the joy of AI. Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe to stay updated with our new videos. Let's explore the exciting realm of artificial intelligence, beginning with its role in communication. AI enhances our interactions by offering tools that facilitate clearer and more efficient exchanges, breaking down language barriers and refining users' experiences. Next, we shift our focus to AI-powered personal assistants, which have become integral in managing daily tasks, scheduling commitments, and providing instant access to information, making our lives more organized and productive. Lastly, we must address the ethical considerations associated with AI's growth, especially its impact on emotional well-being. As we increasingly rely on AI, understanding the implications for our mental health and the importance of responsible AI deployment becomes essential in fostering a balanced coexistence with technology. Each of these areas not only highlights the transformative potential of AI, but also prompts us to reflect on the values we prioritize as we integrate these technologies into our lives. Imagine communicating with a faraway friend just as easily as chatting with someone next door, thanks to the evolution of technology. The journey from the classic rotary phone to today's smartphones illustrates this shift, and AI is at the heart of it all. AI enhances communication by personalizing experiences, optimizing interactions, and breaking down language barriers. For instance, AI-powered translation tools enable real-time conversations in different languages, making global communication seamless. Additionally, chatbots and virtual assistants streamline customer service, allowing for instant responses to queries, improving engagement, and freeing up human agents for more complex issues. As we embrace these advancements, it's clear that AI not only transforms how we communicate, but also enriches our interactions, fostering connections across the globe. What challenges do you think we face as we integrate AI further into our communication processes? Imagine a messaging app that not only simplifies your conversations, but also enriches them. With AI-driven suggestions, these smart messaging apps offer thoughtful responses that enhance communication, making your interactions feel more meaningful. Language translation features allow you to bridge cultural gaps effortlessly, ensuring that language barriers don't impede your conversations. Additionally, smart reminders help you keep track of important messages and upcoming events, so you never miss a beat in your interactions. Personalized conversation starters are designed to foster deeper connections, igniting engaging discussions that go beyond the surface. Finally, integration with virtual assistants streamlines all your communication tasks, allowing you to focus on what really matters, connecting with others. Each feature collectively transforms the way we engage in conversations, making them not only easier, but also more enriching. AI-driven translation tools have revolutionized communication by enabling real-time interactions across different languages, making it possible for individuals to connect seamlessly regardless of language barriers. These services are essential in bridging cultural gaps, fostering understanding and collaboration among diverse groups. Think about how smart messaging apps enhance conversations by suggesting contextually appropriate translations, which ensures that the essence of communication is preserved. For non-native speakers, language translation services significantly increase accessibility in various settings, allowing everyone to participate fully. Moreover, the magic of AI lies in its ability to learn and enhance translation accuracy over time, adapting through user interactions for increasingly effective communication. This continuous improvement makes AI-driven translation tools more reliable and intuitive, paving the way for a globalized world where everyone can engage confidently. Imagine a world where every conversation feels more meaningful and engaging. AI plays a crucial role by analyzing communication data to uncover trends and preferences, allowing us to understand what resonates with others. By harnessing insights from AI, we can enhance empathy and comprehension in our interactions, making conversations more connected. Recognizing patterns in communication empowers us to tailor our responses, leading to better engagement with those we interact with. Additionally, AI tools can provide personalized suggestions for improving our communication styles, enabling continuous growth in how we connect with others. This approach transforms our interactions, ensuring they are not only effective, but also filled with joy and understanding. Imagine having a personal assistant that knows your preferences, anticipates your needs, and seamlessly integrates into your daily life. AI-powered personal assistants are revolutionizing how we interact with technology. They leverage advanced machine learning and natural language processing to provide us with personalized experiences. From managing our schedules to controlling smart home devices and offering instant information, these assistants are designed to simplify our lives. Their ability to learn over time means they become even more effective, tailoring their responses based on our habits and requests. As we explore this technology, consider how these tools not only enhance productivity, but also bring a touch of joy to our everyday interactions, making tasks easier and more enjoyable. Embracing AI in our daily routines can transform ordinary moments into streamlined experiences, opening up time for what truly matters to us. Imagine a world where scheduling meetings becomes effortless, thanks to AI personal assistants. These tools automatically manage your calendar based on availability, drastically cutting down on the time spent on back and forth communication. They not only help in setting up meetings, but also send timely reminders for important events, ensuring that you never overlook a social gathering or critical deadline. Moreover, AI can analyze your preferences and past behaviors to suggest optimal times for various activities, making your day more productive and enjoyable. Some of these assistants even have the capability to integrate with other applications, offering a comprehensive view of all your commitments in one place. This interconnected approach helps streamline your schedule, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in your daily life. Imagine having an AI that understands your unique preferences and daily schedule, suggesting activities tailored specifically for you. This intelligent system can recommend a variety of options, ranging from local events to hobbies or social gatherings that resonate with your interests. The integration with your calendar ensures that these suggestions fit seamlessly into your available time slots, making participation simpler and more convenient. Additionally, the AI provides timely reminders and encouraging prompts to motivate you to engage in these activities, enhancing your overall experience and connection with the world around you. This personalized approach aims to enrich your day-to-day interactions, making it easier to discover joy in everyday moments. Imagine how effortless communication can become with the right tools. AI-driven messaging apps are at the forefront, suggesting thoughtful responses that elevate our conversations and keep them engaging. For those communicating across different languages, language translation services help bridge cultural gaps, ensuring smoother interactions that make every conversation feel more connected. Virtual assistants play a crucial role as well, managing our schedules and reminding us of important events so we never miss a beat. They seamlessly integrate into our lives, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. Additionally, personalized activity suggestions enhance our relationships, fostering deeper connections with friends and family and making our interactions more meaningful. By leveraging these technologies, we can create a richer and more engaging communication experience. When we think about ethical considerations in our interactions, we must recognize their profound impact on emotional well-being. Ethics in our daily exchanges establish a foundation of trust and respect, essential components for fostering healthy relationships. By prioritizing empathy and understanding, we empower individuals to express their thoughts and feelings openly, thus enhancing emotional security. Furthermore, ethical decision making involves recognizing and addressing potential harm, ensuring that our choices reflect care and consideration for the emotional states of others. For instance, when we engage in collaborative environments, being transparent about intentions and respecting boundaries can create a safe space for everyone involved. A balanced approach that weighs emotional needs alongside ethical standards cultivates an atmosphere where individuals can thrive, ultimately leading to richer, more rewarding connections. As we reflect on these principles, consider how you can integrate ethical practices into your interactions to elevate both your well-being and that of others, paving the way for a more compassionate community. In our discussion about privacy concerns in AI interactions, it's vital to highlight the significance of data collection and usage transparency, as it forms the foundation for user trust. For AI systems to operate safely, they must prioritize obtaining user consent before any processing of personal information takes place. This necessity is underscored by the potential misuse of personal data by third parties, which prompts critical ethical considerations that cannot be overlooked. Moreover, users should be empowered with control over their data, including the ability to delete it when they choose. To facilitate this, robust regulations and guidelines are essential to safeguard user privacy in AI applications, ensuring that technological advancements do not come at the expense of personal security. Balancing AI support with human connection is crucial in today's technology-driven landscape. It begins with recognizing the vital role of human interaction in conjunction with AI tools, emphasizing that while AI can enhance our capabilities, it should never replace the richness of personal relationships. Ensuring that AI complements these connections helps maintain that necessary balance. Addressing privacy concerns is essential for fostering trust in AI applications. Users must feel secure for meaningful interactions to occur. Promoting the ethical use of AI is another priority, as it plays a key role in enhancing emotional well-being. Lastly, encouraging mindfulness in our interactions with technology can help foster genuine connections, ensuring that we remain grounded in our human experiences despite the increasing presence of artificial intelligence. In doing so, we create a space where technology and humanity can coexist harmoniously, enhancing our daily lives. AI companions are increasingly recognized for their ability to provide emotional support and encouragement, which greatly enhances mental well-being. Mindfulness apps, utilizing AI technology, can adeptly adjust to users' emotional states, fostering relaxation and improving focus. The responsible application of AI also ensures the protection of privacy and autonomy, which is essential for building trust in technology as a valuable mental health resource. Additionally, AI-driven platforms have the potential to connect individuals with shared interests, effectively reducing feelings of isolation and loneliness. These innovative solutions showcase how technology can play a pivotal role in supporting mental health, promoting a sense of community and well-being in our lives. Thank you for listening, and I invite you to subscribe to the channel for more insights.